Hey everybody, it's Jeremy Osterberger. We're here at the Clays for Cause, hosted by Ward Vessel Fabrication. I'm here with Mr. Jon Ward. I'm also here with Mr. Lance Williams of House of Love. So, Jon, I'm going to start with you. Talk about Clays for Cause. Tell us about the event and how long it's been happening.
So Jeremy, first off, thanks for coming out today. We really appreciate you guys participating in this event. Clays for Cause, we've been doing this for about 6 years now. Had a little bit of pause because of COVID, but we've kicked it back up over the last couple of years, and we've got about 80 to 90 folks coming out today to support a good charity.
Wow, that's amazing.
So let's dig into the charity. So Lance, talk about House of Love. Tell us about it for folks that aren't aware.
Sure. House of Love ultimately was started in about 2007, 2008. And that was the year, Christmas Day and New Year's Day of that year, where radical Hindus invaded and ultimately separated Christians from their families by ultimately, unfortunately, persecuting them. These children in the House of Love, there are currently 66 kids in this orphanage in India. Those kids, ultimately, without your help, without the support of Ward, they would have no education, they would have no protein in their diet, and ultimately, they would have no parents. The people at the House of Love, the staff typically work for free without support like Ward and what all of you are able to support here at this particular charity fundraiser. So we're really grateful.
Thanks for that understanding, Lance of House of Love, and I appreciate you explaining that. Jon, I'm going back to you. Talk about who's here. You've got your folks in from home base, right? Talk about who's here. Talk about the family that's here.
Yeah, we got quite a few folks that have come in from Charlotte. Of course, our Houston facility is right behind the Greater Houston Gun Club right here. So we've got probably 20 to 25 teammates that are here today. So we're excited for them to be here. And of course, we're excited for Lance and the House of Love charity that we're working for today, raising money. And of course, we got all of our clients and vendors that support our efforts here in Houston and in Charlotte, North Carolina.
Jon, real quick too, for folks that don't know all the capabilities of Ward Vessel and Fab, let me give you some time to tell everybody about that.
Yeah, so we're a ASME code manufacturer, and we primarily focus on heat exchangers and pressure vessels.
Great. And Jon, I guess my last question is, before we close out, is, hey, a lot of exciting things happening at Ward, but what's the big news that we all want to hear about?
Yeah, so we're super excited right now. Anyone going by our facility right now will see a monster pile of dirt sitting next to our current location. And so we're just now getting underway with some design drawings and architectural plans for a new 35,000 square foot addition to our current location. Wow, so we're super excited about that.
And the current size of the facility is what?
Yeah, so right now we're right around 30,000 square feet.
Wow.
So we're more than doubling the fabrication space
That's
at our
impressive.
Houston plant.
Well, look, everyone, we appreciate you, Lance, appreciate you, Jon,
you.
for being around with us here today. And Jon, if people want to learn more about the company, where should they go?
So our website, www.wardve.com.
Thank you so much, gentlemen, for joining Big Magazine today.
Thanks,
Thank
Jeremy.
you.
Appreciate it.